It is used for good surface finishing. Finishing, less grinding wheel. It is used for good surface. Grinding is the process of removing metal by the application of abrasives, which are bonded to form a rotating wheel. It is used for good surface finishing, less grinding wheel wear, free of grinding cracks and burns. Grinding machine is a power-operated machine tool where the workpiece is fed against a constantly rotating abrasive wheel, which is also called as grinding wheel, so that a thin layer of material is removed from the workpiece. Principle of grinding. The workpiece is fed against a constantly rotating abrasive wheel so that a thin layer of material is removed from it. Fig. Grinding. Construction. The grinding machine consists of a power-driven grinding wheel spinning at the required speed and a bed with a fixture to guide and hold the workpiece. Coolant is placed to cool the workpiece so that it does not overheat and go outside its tolerance. Types of grinders. Grinding machines are classified based on their construction and type of surface produced. 1. Belt grinder, 2. Bench grinding machine, 3. Surface grinding machine, 4. Cylindrical grinding machine, 5. Centerless grinding machine, 6. Internal grinding machine, 7. Special purpose grinding machine. It is suitable for all kind of applications like finishing, deburring and stock removal. Bench grinder. 2 wheels of different grain sizes for roughing and finishing operations and is finishing operations. 2 wheels of different bench grinder. It is suitable for all kind of application. 1. Belt grinder, 2. Bench grinding machine, 3. Surface grinding machine, 4. Cylindrical grinding machine, 5. Centerless grinding machine, 6. Internal grinding machine, 7. Special purpose grinding machine. It is suitable for all kind of applications like finishing, deburring and stock removal. Bench grinder. 2 wheels of different grain sizes for roughing and finishing operations and is secured to a workbench. Surface grinder. Principle: the workpiece is fed against a constantly rotating abrasive wheel so that a thin layer of material is removed from the workpiece. Type: flat, angular and irregular surfaces. Fig. Principle of surface grinding. Cylindrical grinder. Fig. Principle of cylindrical grinding. Grinding. Principle: the workpiece is held between 2 centers, and in the rotating grinding wheel is fed against it. External grinding machine. Workpiece type: cylindrical surfaces may be straight, curved or contoured. Cylindrical grinder. Centerless grinding machine. Fig. Principle of centerless grinding. Principle: the workpiece is placed on work rest blade between 2 wheels, namely grinding and regulating wheel, which are rotating in clockwise, and workpiece rotates counterclockwise. Grinding wheel remove material from WP surface, and regulating wheel regulates the WP. Centerless means workpiece is not held between centers. Workpiece type: curved or cylindrical surfaces of long slender rods, which cannot be ground on cylindrical grinding. It is used for flat, conical and cylindrical surfaces. Finishing internal cylinders or bores. Forming and sharpening cutting tools. Snagging or removing rough projections from castings and stampings. Advantages. Work is supported rigidly. Productivity is high. Less skill is needed. No chatter or deflection of work. Disadvantages. Work with several diameters cannot be handled well. More time is involved in change over of centerless grinder. Safety is key when it comes to abrasive wheels. That's why you need to know exactly which wheel you'll use and why you'll use this type. Will you use a hard or soft wheel? Why? If you don't know the answers to these questions, you could put your safety at risk. Not to worry though, the Abrasive Grit British Standard Marking System makes it easy to identify which abrasive wheel you need for your task. Here, we'll take a quick look at the basics covered in the Abrasive Grit British Standard Marking System, so you can use abrasive wheels safely. Two main types of abrasive grit. At the simplest level, the Abrasive Grit British Standard Marking System introduces you to the two main types of abrasive grit: aluminium oxide and silicon carbide. Aluminium oxide is A. This is used on tensile materials. Silicon carbide is C. This is used on non-tensile materials like stone and bricks. Grit size. An important aspect of abrasive debris is the grit size. Grit size is rated between 24 to 100. The lower the number, the coarser the grit. The grit size represents the number of holes in a sieve per linear inch. It can also be measured in microns. Soft and hard abrasive wheels. It's also important to consider how hard and robust the materials used to manufacture the wheel are. The letters A, Z are used to represent the strength of the material of the wheel. A is the softest and Z is the hardest. Vitrified or Bakelite. The bond of the wheel is shown as either V4 vitrified or B4 Bakelite, also known as resinoid. Please note that there may be additional bondings, for example R is for rubber and E is for shellac. The final letter indicates whether any reinforcement is present. For example, F usually shows that the reinforcement is fiberglass. Manufacturers may also add other letters if using their own code system. Below are the typical codes that the British standards have put in place for abrasive wheels and discs. A. Aluminium oxide. 36 medium grit. P. Medium hardness. B. Bakelite, resinoid. F. Reinforced. Types of abrasive wheels. There are 5 types of abrasive wheels. Type 1 straight-sided vitrified wheels for bench grinders. Type 27 depressed-centered grinding wheels. Type 41 straight-sided cut-off wheels. Type 42 depressed-center cut-off wheels. Diamond blades. ETD's online abrasive wheel course. To learn more about the Abrasive Grit British Standard Marking System, you can take ETD's abrasive